Hello friends, how are you? It has happened to you that you suddenly get hiccups and you don't know how to remove it. This time I will show you how. 1. The first way to get rid of hiccups is to hold your breath. This way is very popular, and that is why it is the first on our list. 2. The second way is to drink water in an inverted way. This technique is not very difficult since you must hold a glass and bring your face closer to the glass instead of the glass coming closer to your face. 3. The last way, and the one that has helped me the most, is to mix honey with lemon juice and drink it. This is not recommended for children under 1 year of age or for those allergic to honey or lemon. Now it is your turn. Tell us what has been the best way in which your hiccups have been removed.